So this here is definitely going to be one of the most important video for the month of November. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Since it's the 1st of November today, we are going to find out where the price in the medium short term and even for the upcoming days might be, possibly heading with the help of this leading indicator. So before I do that, before I start talking about these interesting scenarios which I prepared for you guys, I want you to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, if you look at the price action of Bitcoin in a daily time frame using this Bollinger Band, you can see price of Bitcoin looks like following this continuation pattern after breaking out of this upper band. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. And yes, if this here is going to result in another continuation to the downside, what is expected, this central line acting as support. Yes, guys, this basis line or the center line from this Bollinger Band, just like from this past price action, could be retested, but it will be acting as support, and price after that is expected to show another continuation like this. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation, because right now, beside this Bollinger Band, even with the help of this ascending channel, we can see the upper trend line did rejected us, just like from this past price action. I mean, the upper trend line from this ascending channel rejected us, and now it is also testing the support line. I mean, if the price, just like from this past price action, is going to bounce off after testing the support around this lower trend line, then you can see this continuation, even though it might not look bullish, this continuation could be still favoring the long spot. If we break below this basis line, if we fail to hold the support which we have right now on this lower trend line, what does that mean? That means the price of Bitcoin could be coming back to test the support from this CPR indicator for the month of November. I mean, price could be showing a move like this and then another bullish continuation. And why are we expecting price of Bitcoin, even if it's going to result in some corrective move, to still bounce upwards? Because we know for the month of November we have a new ascending CPR, and we know ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. I mean, just like from this past price action, you can see the month of October we printed an ascending CPR higher than the previous month, and each and every time, you can see, each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend, we have always seen this CPR turning into an ascending CPR higher than the previous month. And if you look at the month of November, this November CPR is clearly an ascending CPR, which is also going to indicate any sort of a pullback like this. It might be just a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to continue higher. And for the month of November, since this is an ascending CPR, now we are going to focus more on to the upside. You can see our first target sits around $76,200. Yes, guys, 76,000 will be looked as our first target, just like this one here. We printed an ascending CPR, price tested the arrow line, but if you look at it carefully, this reversal was necessary. Otherwise, we could have formed a VCPR, and VCPR always attracts the price first before choosing a trend duration. But in our case, this is an ascending CPR. Price has already tested the top CPR line. Now, any sort of a pullback will be looked as a temporary pullback. And for the month of November, you can see our first target sits around 76,000. If we go even higher, you can see R2 sits around 82,000, and the no-brainer target for the month of November is this R3 line, which sits around 91,000. Yes, guys, these are our upcoming target according to our leading indicator. And even if the worst case starts playing out, let's suppose price is going to show another continuation and get attracted towards the first bearish target for the month of November, it's still above 60,000. I mean, this S1 line sits around 61,000. So even if the worst case scenario plays out, price will remain above 60,000, which is very, very bullish. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that since this is an ascending CPR for the month of November, we are going to focus on this first target, this exact target around 76,000, and then slowly look around this R2 line, which is around 82,000 as well, because in a bigger picture, we know Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. So in the medium short term, if the price starts showing weakness, along with the support from this ascending channel lower trend line, along with the support from this basis line or the center line from this Bollinger Band. Now we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator. So just like from this past price action during uptrend, this Williams alligator indicator tends to act as support. And since this is also a bullish crossover, green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, now even if the price shows another continuation, these trend lines are going to be acting as support, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue higher, because in a bigger picture you can see the price has already broken out of this descending channel or a bull flag, because this upper trend line previously acted as a strong line of resistance. Now we are above it, and we could also expect some retest, but please do not panic. You can see even if the price starts with a retest, it could be just a temporary pullback, because we are going to be above 60,000. We have extremely important support above that area, and price after that could be preparing for another bullish continuation, because beside this descending channel, we also have support from this descending broadening wedge upper trend line. Yes guys, this upper trend line, just like from this past price action, acted as a strong line of resistance, and now since we are above it, it will be looked as a retest even if the price starts showing a continuation like this. And after that, we are expecting this bullish continuation to continue. Yes guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, since the price for the month of November has also printed an ascending CPR, it will be looked as a bullish continuation for Bitcoin. Yes, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because these events are temporary, and if you want to trade with free money, take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check this out. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.